Gaano nga ba kaimportante ang motivation? Kailangan motivated ka para magawa mo ang isang bagay. Pero hindi lang motivation ang lahat. Kailangan mo ng two major components para magawa mo ang isang bagay to a satisfactory level. Yun ay ang kagustuhan or willingness at kakayahan o ability to do it. Yung kagustuhan at kakayahan goes hand in hand. Minsan may mga gusto tayong gawin, pero hindi lang talaga natin kaya dahil we don't have the skills to do it. Example is, gusto mo tumaas sa sweldo mo, gusto mo humingi ng pay raise, pero wala ka pang communication skill to convey the message. Di ba medyo mahirap? O kaya naman meron kang skills to do it, pero you just don't want to do it. The list goes on and on. Hindi lang motivation ang kailangan. We have to take action. We need a set of skills. Kaya instead of only focusing on motivating ourselves, which motivation comes and go, tingnan natin yung mga skills na kailangan natin to succeed. Think of it as motivation as the spark, short and instant. It starts something, and what will make it continue? Yung kagustuhan at yung kakayahan mo. Build on those skills, learn, train, act. Dahil at the end of the day, the skills will help us achieve our potential. Ikaw, what skills are you working on?